so cool. The duck says quack, oh isn't that cool? In the jungle, there's a trumpet sound. The elephant trumpets all around. Animal sounds and where they live. Come along and let's all give a big hooray for the animals too. Let's learn their sounds and learn where they're from too. The dog goes woof and barks all day. In our homes, it's where they play. The cat says meow and purrs so sweet. In our houses, they find a cozy seat. In the field, there's a ba ba ba. The sheep says ah and eats the grass. In the barn, there's a hawk. The hen says clock, it's breakfast luck. Animal sounds and where they live. Come along and let's all give a big hooray for the animals too. Let's learn their sounds and learn where they're from too. By the pond, there's a Papa's ribbit jumping around. It's so great, isn't it? On the ice, in the cold and snow, the penguin goes as they go. In the jungle, the tiger growls loud with the crow. They're fierce and proud. On the farm, you hear a neigh. The horse says neigh as it runs all day. Animal sounds and where they live. Come along and let's all give a big hooray for the animals too. Let's learn their sounds and learn where they're from too. In the meadow, the rabbit hops fast. With the thump thump, they move so fast. In the trees, up high in the sky, the giraffe hums as it stretches high. In the forest, they swing and play. The monkey says ooh, ooh, all day. Animal sounds and where